If you guys are ready to check out this awesome, amazing, delicious breakfast bar recipe, look at them. So freaking good. Then stay tuned and I will give you the recipe, the ingredients, how to make it, and the taste test. Let's go. What's going on, my wellness wearers? We are back again today with another vegan food. Another delicious, simple vegan food. This one is not a real food. It is more so a snack or a breakfast on the go, take with me because I need something to eat, I gotta go type of thing. So stay tuned. If you are new here, my name is 𝔼𝕒𝕤𝕁. I'm a holistic nutritionist, and on this channel I make lifestyle content for any and all beautiful people along their conscious journeys. When I'm talking about lifestyle content, I'm talking about health, nutrition, spirituality, mental health, physical health, holistic living, all those things you need to be your greatest version on your conscious journey. Like I said, before I get into it, you have to hit that subscribe button, you have to hit that like button, just to support the tribe because you are here, okay? So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious and nutritious vegan breakfast bar. It is composed of some delicious grains, you have good fats in there, and just the right amount of sweetness, and chocolate. Chocolate, I mean, come on, chocolate. With my grape juice. So I'll show you what you need. Everything will be in the description box and also along with the instructions, and I'll just show you guys how to make it, how to put it together, and everything. So let's go, let's get to it. Okay y'all, so you can basically see what you're gonna need here. Of course I'll go through everything and I'll tell you exactly what it is. So you're gonna need some almond milk. I have vanilla almond milk. You're gonna need some vanilla extract. I use the non-alcoholic one when I'm not cooking it because I don't like that alcohol taste in there. You're gonna need some cinnamon, preferably Ceylon cinnamon if you can, some pink Himalayan sea salt, some delicious dark amber grade A maple syrup, some flax seeds. These are ground, as you can see. This is for better absorption and digestibility. This is organic virgin coconut oil. Some roughly chopped, crushed, whatever you'd like to call it, almonds. These are sprouted almonds. Some sprouted brown rice puff cereal, some sprouted oats, and some homemade yummy almond butter. And then you're gonna need a nice square container, whichever you'd like to use, a bowl, and a nice spatula to mix things with. So that's it. Let's get making it nice and quick. If you guys are curious about where I bought these or what brand of the rice crisps and the oats I used, it is 1 Degree. I really like their brand. They're actually really good. And it's all sprouted, organic, clean. No, obviously this is just oats. That's it. So yeah, that's what I use for these. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in the almond butter. Get all that up in there. This is a cup of almond butter. Let's toss in the extract. Next we're going to toss in the maple syrup. Get all of that in there. Then we're going to toss in the milk. The maple syrup was a 1/4 cup, and the milk, I can't remember. The milk was probably, yeah, it was 2 tablespoons. And then just mix all that together for now. And then how about, let's add in the flax seeds. So let's start thickening up. And the flax seeds was about 2 tablespoons. The salt is literally going to just be a little dash of it. The cinnamon is going to be about 3/4 of a teaspoon. So you can measure yours out. I just know how much that is pretty much. But feel free to measure it out. And then we're going to mix that. Thickening up already. Very nice. So we're going to add in the oats next. This is 2 3/4 cups. And let's toss in a cup of brown rice puffs. Just give this a nice old mix. Probably I want to throw in the almonds right now, so I'm just going to play with the amount I have. Yeah, I'm just going to use it all. That was about a 1/2 cup of almonds, between 1/3 and 1/2, depending on what you like yourself. Next, we're just going to put in the coconut oil now while we're still mixing. So the coconut oil, I can't remember, it's a tablespoon. Yeah, tablespoon. So you're just going to mix it. So that's what it looks like. So delicious. I really wish you guys can smell this. But again, as always, as I'm always gonna say in all my food videos, you have to make it. It smells so good. Honestly, if I had some dried apples, I would toss those in there. That'd probably be really tasty. So I'm gonna show you how to put it into the pan, and then we're gonna refrigerate that, and then we'll come back and then we'll do the nice delicious topping, which is gonna be chocolate. This is a 9x9 pan. It does have the straight edges. If you prefer, I do have ones that have the more rounded edges, but I feel like for this, nice square edges would be good. So I cut it. It's perfect. Whatever. Okay, so you're gonna have parchment paper about the same size as your little pan here, and what you're gonna do is just shovel. There you go. See, it fixed it right away. And you'll notice when you put this in, if it's kind of sticky, like tough sticky, that's a good thing. So that means they'll set really well. So if you follow this recipe exact, they'll come out perfect. And I formulated this recipe by myself, guys. Usually I do that with everything. So give this video a like because I'm working hard over here for you guys. Nah, it's okay. I like it. I love doing this. So, yes. And then what you're just gonna do, you can use your fingers if you want. Have your kiddos help you. My daughter's gonna be watching a movie, so I'm doing this. So you just press it down. Alright guys, so there's that, and I'm going to wash my hands really quick, and then we're going to pop this. Honestly, I'm going to do it in the freezer because I want them to hurry up, and I want that chocolate to sit with them very quickly. So So I just threw those in the freezer. I'm gonna keep them in there for half an hour and then I'm gonna check it. Obviously I will modify the recipe and write it on the screen. How long I decided to keep them in there until I feel like it's a good time. So that way you guys can follow that. So I'll see you guys in about 30 minutes. I'll check in. And if it goes good, we'll do the chocolate. So in the meantime, you can honestly just melt some chocolate. I'll show you guys what I do personally. So let's go to my stove really quick. You want it a nice thick consistency like this. You don't have to melt much, as you can see there's not that much. Just enough. I would say this is 1/4 of a cup if you want to use a measuring cup, but I literally just take a small pot and just put water in there and then just put this inside. This is like a double boiler and just melt some nice 88% dark chocolate. So we're just gonna pop this out. So I just take a santoku knife, whatever you have works. I personally want these like skinnier because they are pretty thick. So I want these more skinny. So there will be some stickiness. If you want to leave them in the freezer longer, go for it. I'm just impatient. So yeah, they are breaking apart a little bit because they're not solid, but that's okay. Actually, you know what? Hold on. So I just changed my knife instead. I'm gonna use this one. A nice good serrated knife. Yeah. That works better if you want cleaner edges. You see the So I'm just gonna cut this in half. I personally don't care for the super clean corners. I don't care. These are literally gonna last me for like a day and a half. They'll be gone by tomorrow afternoon. My daughter is gonna get her hands on them, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna go grab my chocolate and then I'll come right back. I'm just gonna separate them just like a little bit. Just so the chocolate can get down. Did. Let's just separate it. Let's take a spoonful. Take a spoonful. Chocolate. That's a little too much. You can do a little bit at a time. And just totally missed that first one, right? Doesn't have to be perfect. I don't care for this. So I have a business where I make dipped strawberries and desserts. So I do this a lot with drizzling. But right now I just don't care what it looks like. I just want the chocolate on it. Hit that like button if they look good. I'm gonna put these back in the freezer. Look at that one. Oh my god. I'm gonna put them back in the freezer for probably about another 10 minutes or so. And then we'll come back and taste test together. Because look at them. Just look. So delicious. These will keep, look at that. That's why you want to separate them. Some people put them in, like, when they put it in the pan, they drizzle it, but I want it on the sides. So I didn't do that, but yeah, whatever method works for you, do it up, boo, because they all work. So I'll be back. I'm so impatient. I'm eating already. I was eating the little crumbs. So So good. So good. 5 more minutes. I literally just wrapped those. I'm so mad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I wrapped these up and I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm so corny. Oh my god. That one. Oh my god. So yeah guys, this is the final product. Look at them. And tell me you don't want to make these. You have to make, look. You have to make these. Hold on. You have to make them. Like so deliciously perfect. Look at them. Oh my god. I'm excited for you to make these. So I'm gonna take one. So they're like perfect. Do you hear my stomach? I like wrap them so I can stack them in the fridge and just easy grab and go. You know what I mean? So there they are. Looks so good. So. Okay. They're chewy. They have the right amount of sweetness. They're delicious. You have to make these. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, you have to make them. Save this video and make these later. Everything will be in the description box. If you want to know about anything, just let me know. And I'll guide you, help you, so you can make these, so you can have some good fuel for breakfast. Even a post-workout snack. Whatever you decide to have it for, they're really good. So, I'm gonna finish eating this one. I'm gonna give my daughter one. But we're getting snow tomorrow, so hopefully I can get some content recorded on something. So that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share this video with people who need to make this recipe. It's so good. Like, I can't even I'm in stress for myself, but I can't even, like, this is my first time trying it. So literally, I'm not even kidding. They're so good. Like, this recipe is it. Like, they're so good. So if you have any questions, I'm here. Let me know. So I will catch you guys on the next video. As always, choose health, choose healing, choose you. I love you guys. See you later.